Hey guys, how's it going? How to check today's data usage on iPhone. So open up the settings and then go move along to the cellular and then scroll down to the cellular data usage, right? You're gonna be able to find it somewhere here, right? And you will see the current period's data usage. And if you want to check specifically for today, you may need to reset the statistics at the start of the day. Scroll down to reset statistics to clear the data for the next usage tracking. And after resetting, you will see the data used today starting from that point onward. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.